Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails on your phone. If you're missing new messages, it's usually caused by sync or app issues. Let's fix it step by step. First, open the Gmail app. Tap on the three-line menu at the top left, then go to Settings. Now, select your email account. Make sure the Sync Gmail option is turned on, so your emails can update automatically. If the issue still isn't fixed, go to your phone's settings. Open the App section and find Gmail. Tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, restart your phone. Once your phone turns back on, open Gmail again and check for new emails. This will refresh the app and usually fix the problem. And that's it. That's how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.